Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This is January 31st, and this is where I recap all the layouts that I completed in the month. So this is for the month of January. I completed 20 layouts and 22 cards. No, I think 23 cards. 23 cards. So let's get started. Most of these I have videos, but there are 5 that I do not. So I have 15 videos of the 20 layouts. I have one video of 16 of the cards that I made, and then another one where I shared the video of 4 layouts and the 7 cards I completed. I will go through and let you know what date to go back to on my video if you want to see the process. All right. This layout here was created for Let's Get Messy Wednesday, and this was posted January 1st. And I just love this. My background paper is from Vicki Boutin. This is celebrating me reaching 1,111 subscribers. I have a thing about consecutive numbers. And so anyway, I love when I get a chance to do just real girly layout, and this kind of represents all the things that I like to use to create. So we've got mixed media, we got puffy stickers, enamel stickers, plain stickers, we got washi tape, we've got wood veneer, no wood veneer, sorry, wood veneer is missing. I've got stamping, I've got inks, I've got chipboard. I said puffy stickers, I have acetate, and let's see, what else do I have? And some paper tearing going on down here. So that is Let's Get Messy Wednesday. All right. This layout was created for Everyday Inspiration. It was posted January 15th. All right, this layout here was created for Multi-Photo Monday. The process video was posted January 20th. Really love this. Again, this is all Vicki Boutin products from her Kaleidoscope collection. I really love how this layout turned out. January 15th, guys. I'm sorry, January 20th, if you want to check out that process video. All right, this one was created for, this is a new collaboration called Stamp With Me. And this is posted January 22nd, and I use multiple photos, again using my Vicki Boutin Kaleidoscope collection. Here's my stamping from Close to My Heart. I am a Close to My Heart consultant, and I will have that information below. If you do not have a consultant, I would love to have you as a customer. All right, this layout was completed for Scraptimber Stash Bash, and Natalie Bowers came up with 31 items for you to use each day. Mine for January 25th was clear, and so you need to go check out this video. I am using acetate, vellum to create this layout. And again, this is of my little guy and a social studies project. That again was January 25th. All right, this layout was created for Off the Board, posted January 29th, and this is my little guy and one of his friends. And again, I am using the Vicki Boutin collection. And here we use something that we saved on our Pinterest account that we wanted to scrap lift. So you need to go check out that video to see what I scrap lifted or got my inspiration. I do not have a process video for this one. I just ran out of time, but this is for the collective, and for 2020 I am using mostly 75% all Maggie Holmes crepe paper, and I'm kind of killing that. I've gathered all those items and then some extra embellishments because I didn't have enough embellishments, but I got plenty of paper, like 35 sheets of paper. And I am going to work through that collection all year. If I complete it before 2020, then I will get out another collection. So this is using Maggie Holmes products, crepe paper, and then some extra items in my stash. And this is like from the travel collection. And I'm documenting an old photograph when my dad was in the Army. I'm trying not to use my hands so much. I've got tags up here, tags up here, and then a puffy frame right there. Anyway, there's no process video for this one, so you have to freeze the screen if you want to scrap lift it. All right, this is for Mini Kit Monday, and this is posted January 13th. I'm sorry, that's my computer. And we had an inspiration piece, which was a bingo board provided by one of the other Mini Kit Monday ladies, which is Tracy. And this is what I put together. And of course, it's called Creepy Crawlers. You want to see the process video, you need to go back, or see how I created this layout, you need to go to January 13th. This was posted January 20th. And again, this was for Mini Kit Monday from my kit. My dad and my aunt love this layout too. And guess what? I am scrap lifting myself from a layout I created like 4 years ago. Love this. And I put a twist on it because my original did not have this grouping here at all. It did have how I have, you know, my paper cut right here and the circles. But it did not, my original did not have this cluster or such a large title here. All right, this is for Mini Kit Monday, and this was posted January 27th. So this was just recently posted. Love how this layout. Again, I offer some tips if you do not like to have such a busy background with a photograph that is kind of dense and a little bit busy. So, and the trick is to either mat your photographs a little bit thicker on a mat or put another mat over this busy pattern paper. But this I love, it doesn't bother me. As a matter of fact, I think it lets the viewer concentrate more on looking at the photograph. All right, this is posted for close to my heart. I'm a consultant and I like to share some videos where I am using new release products. This one I just posted on the 26th. Layout is using the Spruced Up collection, paper pack sticker sheet, coordinating cardstock, and their wood veneer. So I created this layout using that. And this layout here, number 2. Number 3, oops, number 4, then I created these cards, which I posted at the same time. There were 7 cards that I created. So you have to go back to January 26th. So I created all those to see it in more detail. All right, so now these next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we're using the Spruced Up workshop kit, and you get these die cuts. Everything comes in the kit to create layouts, and then you can add your own twist or spin if you would like. So this is okay, I think I can figure this out. This layout was created and posted January 5th. This project, which is a double spread layout, I did a process video January 7th. So that's one side, 2 side, or you can do it this way. Either way will work. All right, this would be project number 3, double page again. So that's page 1, page 2 together. So again, that would be January I'm sorry, 9th. I think I said 8th. This is January 9th, the double spread. And then this would be January 11th, the last one that I created. And I had to put my own twist on this too, and this wasn't supposed to be how the original title, so I took that out of the compliments. All right, and then because I don't have the, oops, sorry. Then I created these cards here, and with the kit, you get this kit right here. It's called Celebrate Today, and you will create 16 cards, so it's 4 each, and I posted this one January 21st. So anyway, I do not have my cards, but you need to go look at the video because I add some twist and some other options that you can use. And again, that's from Close to My Heart, Celebrate Today workshop or card kit. That is it. I think I did a fantastic job for January. 20 layouts and 23 cards. All right, until next time, have a fabulous day. Make sure you take time to create some fantastic layouts and cards, and we'll see you next time. Bye.